if you own an older home, sometimes you want to bring it up to speed and all that. It can get kind of weird depending on how old the home is.
Yeah.
And we're here talking about attic ventilation, which is so crucial for a house.
It is.
Which I've learned from Jeff having doing these. And maybe let the folks know, what kind of options do they have for improving the attic ventilation in an older house here in Cleveland, Ohio?
It's a great question. A lot of the older homes had no need for ventilation because our walls were not sealed. We didn't have great windows. We didn't have things like that. So our homes breathed naturally through the walls and the ceilings and things like that. And once we start remodeling the older home, we start tightening it up. And now ventilation in the attic area is way more important in today's new materials that are out there. So the first thing that we want to look at is, can we ventilate this properly? What material are we going to have to use on this home to get it ventilated properly? Is it going to be an intake system underneath of the shingles? Do they have enough soffit that we can just replace under the soffit and put in some hidden soffit systems to allow the air to come in the home? Did they insulate all the way tight to the roof deck? Is there a spot that we can see that?
There's all sorts of things that it could be, right?
There's so many things that could have happened in a home that's 100 years old, and you could have had 50 different contractors on that over the course of 100 years.
So where do you guys start?
We start inside the home.
Okay.
We go into the attic, we look at certain things and can things be done. Then we go outside, we start looking at the outside under the gutter edge. Then we go up onto the roof and we look on from the roofing standpoint. Did it have slate underneath of it? Is it going to need redecked? Because if you have slate or cedar shakes, sometimes you have a slat board, and we're going to need to put a solid roofing surface underneath that so that we have a nailable surface to use.
Jeez. So there's a lot of options. There's a lot of things you got to think about.
Yeah. You definitely don't want just a salesperson at your home. You want a roofing expert at your home.
Well, it sounds like you want to need a sort of a detective a little bit.
It is.
To go through all those years of improvements or not improvements that have been done.
Correct. Because there's a lot of layers that we want to go through so that we make sure that when we do a roofing system on your home, that it's done correctly, that it stays within the warranty, and then it lasts you for the longevity of your home.
You mentioned warranty. Do you guys offer a warranty?
We do. We actually have a warranty through our manufacturer, CertainTeed.
Okay.
We are the highest level that you can go as far as the contractor for CertainTeed. So we have a 25-year workmanship warranty that we can offer. We have a 50-year labor and leak warranty that is guaranteed from CertainTeed Manufacturing.
Wow.
So when I retire, if my children don't want to continue and I don't have a sales rep that wants to buy the company,
they can still take that and call somebody else and it'll be taken care of.
Absolutely.
So your warranty will not die with Jeff. I hope that's never going to happen.
It's going to happen.
Yeah.
It's going to happen. 50 years, I'll be 102, 103, so it's going to happen.
Probably even older than your house is right now.
Yeah.
But the takeaway for these folks watching is, maybe no matter how goofy some of the past engineering is on the house, it can be made correct.
There is now materials that we can correct things that might have been correct 20 years ago that are incorrect in today's building technologies.
Good deal. So worry not, just give Triple Peaks a call, get Jeff on it.
Yep. Things change, and when you're ready to change them, give us a call at 440-925-0386.